Okay everyone, today we're going to be looking at the top handle saw again. It's my Poulan 1800, and today I went there and picked up this Countyline 16-inch bar on sale for 20 bucks there to replace the old bar, and I'll show you. It's got hooks missing out from where I can guess that someone did not hook it up right or something, started it, and that chain flew off and snapped off a big hunk. But do have a greasable sprocket. Went there and picked up a bunch of bar nuts to replace that regular bolt and put an actual bar nut on there, and they don't fit. None of them are the right size. Also picked up this greaser, and I'm currently greasing this, but I'll try to get it where I can kind of show you there. But all you do is you simply do that a little bit and spin the chain. Even I can't really spin the chain, so I'll just take that with me when I go to cut here shortly, just in case. There, I cleaned the case up a little bit yesterday. I got to take this back off and put the air filter back in it. I actually went there and saw with this yesterday, and the on-off switch got stuck. So I had to take it all, this top half here off, exposing the engine to get to the kill switch to fix it where it was clogged up. What was really fun was taking this handle off and getting that handle to go back on. Everything else went really easy except for this handle here at the top. But it's just a pain to get them two bolts on the bottom to go in. If you can get this bolt here in, and two clear down there on the bottom are the biggest pain to try to get in. And then the other saw, I took the handle off. It wasn't too incredibly bad to do it, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna go over here and grab the keys real quick, and I'm gonna walk us our building where I forgot to put the air filter in. And I was saying it this morning because the whole reason why I went to town was I had to get gas because I ran out. And it's just got done raining for today, so everything's nice and muddy. And nothing's going to be as easy today as I think. Oh shoot. Well, I might be making an air filter today. Because now I can't find it. Say it this morning, I can't find it. Should have a piece of pre-filter somewhere, or something I can cobble up to make an air filter for today, because I gotta do some cutting. So let me see if I got two in here. I got shirts. I should have pre-filter media somewhere around here. Should have a big bunch of it, but I guess not. Now that's shot. Speaker wire. There's been on the ground back there. Well, I'm going to sacrifice a glove. I'm going to sacrifice that glove. It'll be alright. I just need a knife. See how much of this I can fit in. There, as long as the engine can breathe through it, that's all that matters. It's mainly because I can't afford spending $18 for an air filter and waiting 2 weeks for said air filter to come in. Because no one makes an air filter for this saw. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut this. Never thought I'd be making an air filter out of a glove, but you do what you do to get your saws to run and to get wood cut. I'm going to cut this down the middle. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a second. I'm not going to show you because this is a little bit of pain to really show you. People, yeah. Basically, there's what the air filter is going to look like, and it's just going to be stuffed in that old air. So let me set you back down here. So, no, you can't see anything, but I really do need to be able to get in here real easy, and I kind of need both hands to stuff this in there because I made it a little bit big. But there's the air filter. Brand new air filter. Stick you back on. And screws. Come on. And I'll set you down so that I can screw these in. I know you all aren't going to be able to see everything, but my new camera's dead because I forgot to put it on charge last night. And I don't have room for my tripod over here to really show you. So it is what it is today. I did get a free saw today off my uncle. There that I don't know if I'm going to fix up or part it out or keep it and do nothing with it and just have it as a keepsake or something. I don't know. On switch working. It's off, on, off, on. Yeah, you're working fine now. So that's going to be it for today. Tomorrow I'm going to try to release a video showing this thing doing some cutting. I'll show it. Really, it'll be the aftermath of it cutting, because that's what I'm getting ready to do. So, you want to see how this here performs? I'll end up making a part 2, and I'll just put on our Countyline bar test. There. So, till the next time, you'll get to see this in action.